In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add an AI chatbot to Godaddy website builder. To get started, go to your Godaddy My Products page and log in to your account. Once you are signed in, find your website's plus marketing site and click Manage next to it. This will take you into the area where you can control your website settings and tools. From there, look over to the left-hand menu. Expand the Conversations section, then select Settings. Inside these settings, click Chatbots. This is where Godaddy lets you control the automated assistants that can help respond to visitors on your site. You will now see different chatbot options available. Turn on the toggles for the assistants you want to use. For example, you may see options like the Response Assistant Bot, Shopping Assistant Bot, or Order Bot. Choose the ones that fit your website best. If your site is focused on customer questions, the Response Assistant can be useful. If you sell products, the Shopping or Order Bots may be more helpful. After you have enabled the chatbot options you want, click Save Settings so your selections are stored. Next, return to your main site dashboard and click Edit Website. This opens the Godaddy website builder, where you can turn on the chatbot widget that visitors will actually see on your site. Once you are inside the builder, look for Chat in the Sites panel or in the dashboard shortcuts. Click that option to open the chat settings. In this section, turn the Enable Chat widget toggle to On. This is the setting that makes the chatbot interface available on your live website, so visitors can interact with it. Before you finish, take a moment to make sure the correct chatbot tools are enabled and that the widget is switched on. This helps you avoid publishing before everything is ready. When you are satisfied with the setup, click Publish. Publishing is the final step that pushes the chatbot live, so it becomes visible and usable on your website. Once published, your AI chatbot will be active on your Godaddy site and ready to assist visitors automatically. That can help improve response times and create a smoother experience for people browsing your website. That covers everything you need to know.